What's up guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube subscribe link for your channel. This video is for my fellow YouTubers out there. So if you're not a YouTuber, well, you're still free to watch this video. So before we begin, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let's hop in. First of all, you might want to go to YouTube and find your channel. Here, this is our channel right here. I'm currently using my different account, so click here on more, and click on this link, your YouTube link. Highlight it, then copy, then go to Notepad, paste it, then I want you to type this in: question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. Then copy the whole thing again and go back to Google Chrome, open a new tab and paste the link that you created. Let's wait for a moment.
One eternity later.
So once the link is loaded, you'll receive a confirmation channel subscription message. Are you sure you want to subscribe? Well, click the subscribe button here. And there you have it. You can also put that link in the comment section. And there you have it. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.